How do you fix World of Tanks heat is crashing on Steam? So first you will need to right click on the game and open up the properties window. And in the launch options, you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files integrity. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then you'll need to open up your browser and head to this link, which is in the description below. Now from the table right here, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64 installer for the redistributables and install both of these. Once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So after the restart, all you need to do is open up your GPU app. So for example, if you have NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software. And from drivers section here, make sure to check for driver updates and install the latest available update. Now, once you're done, all you need to do is open Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch your game from the library, and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.